Welcome to another My Two Good Hands video. Out here working on that RV brush grill again. Since you saw us last, we drilled the holes here for the side pieces. We got our magnets and stuff ready to go. We're starting to work on leveling things out, squaring it up, and putting it together. Check it out. So here we are. You can see where we're at. Yes, we're half a bubble level off on here, but we are square with the motorhome. As you can see here, when you come down here, you're right square here. What's going on is the motorhome, the whole thing's tipped. So they're half a bubble off, we're half a bubble off inside. So that's perfect. You can see we're starting to fit this one. We got it fit in and we got it marked. Next, we're going to cut it off in here, and then we're going to go work on the other side. So let's get to it. So here we are. You can see what we've got. We've got our levels on there. We know this one's a little out, but we're pretty close. A little bit of tweaking. We went and we marked these again. So we got them marked exactly where they are. You can see the rings, so we can cut those pieces. We do have our center sections here. So next thing is to pull these off, recut them, and get them squared up with the magnets, get the center pieces in, and then we can start fitting the inner one. The inner one will be the small piece that's going to go in here. See how we're doing here? All the wood blocking is to just hold things in place. Okay, so we got our safety glasses and everything on, and we're going to start doing some welding here. First thing we're going to do is weld these to the pieces that pull out. Then we'll go in and tack other stuff. We're going to do solid tacks, because not just little tacks, because we want to be able to pull this off to finish weld it. We still got some medium, middle-sized bars to put in, but we're going to get this framed up because it's sitting pretty. Fighting the wind. We are fighting the wind. Now we take this clamp off, we weld the other side. Uh-oh. Cardboard's protecting us. Side. This side we stuck a little piece of cardboard. At this point, we're going to take this clamp off so we can get the rest of it. Get this cardboard to stay back. Now we'll get this side. Then we'll make sure everything's still square. Okay. And now we got to make sure we're all square before we start doing any more welding. See what it looks like back here. See if it all still looks squared up. Doesn't look like it moved. Well, so it's still where it used to be. Yeah, I think we're pretty good. Going to start by welding these outer ones. Just going to put a little bead on the top of each one of these. We're going to put guards behind there so we don't get splatter anywhere. Reveal there. Reveal there. Hey, I think we're good to go back to welding. And like I said, we're going to, it's a little bit more than a tack, but we're going to put a nice weld in here. That's the way it is. Yeah, it's going to be fine. Woo! Oh, this piece fell out. That's not good. That's not good at all. It fell out and it changed size. That's pretty good. All right, it's holding. Let's put these on here. Maybe not. So we kind of got to wait for the wind to stop when we weld because we're kind of outside here. We're getting way too much wind. But we did get a good weld on that, so I don't think it's going anywhere anyhow. Let me get down here and do this one. Okay, well that one's welded in good. That ain't going anywhere. Woo! All right. Well, we got that tacked up pretty well. We need to tack these in place. We'll start at this end. Nope, I don't want that, do we? That's not what you want. You want this to stay here. Okay. Right there. Right there. Well, don't forget to like and subscribe to My Two Good Hands. Next, we'll finish welding this. We got to make a rack to get it on and off easy, but we're going to take this thing off in a minute and we'll let you watch that. But let's let the welds cool while we do some work for the wife.